Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Meghalaya Conrad Sangma hanin kesni thoding ula play pajba ya ke LED bulbs assembling unit Hawakhana Tura. Ya kani la ai mensim daga GHE Impact Ventures Private Limited rangkat pat ke kyrshan jong sorkar Jylla. Habakren hakani kesni na kaliang Menteri Rangba ulong ka jing sedang ya kani ka assembling unit lani ka jinglum ya ki LED bulb kadai kasin jam ka nyngkong na kabenta banwanra ya kajing mentoy ya ki khun samla na kaliang Menteri Rangba ula kentui ki pajba jong ka Jylla Meghalaya bakin thet ikini kitiar komuni u bulb LED ki balapan mi na ka Jylla bat kitnat baper ki yeng ki kenhun bat ya baro bakin shim ya kani kasin jam ban kentiu yala ki jong ki mar ki mata ki balapan mi na kani ka Jylla da ka bathiet eki ha kani ka jaka ki don kumba prap sangut ki nong trei kan thei bat chanrang ki badai na kani ka than
someone is in the classes as well. So it's not just people who can like not at proper education but people who have proper education as well. There's a separate testing area which also does the work for we are still waiting on these BIS number to launch it. So he tests, so basically all the areas are working on it now. If it's not working, it will go back. And next. So it's a semi-automatic line. I actually started the parts so these are the parts of the so right now we starting with 9 watt bulb, but ultimately we want to do this is case
everywhere in all DC offices and all the other offices, SP offices, all other offices, party office also. In all the other offices we should use. We are here in Tura today where the first LED assembling unit has been set up by an organization called GHE. This is of course a first step towards many more to come, where we are encouraging and trying to build up the ecosystem to promote clean energy and efficient energy. And the LED assembling unit that we have here will be now also replicated in other parts of the state, and we hope that this made in Meghalaya product or assembled product in Meghalaya will be used in extensive way in different departments, houses and organizations, and I encourage everyone that they should promote by using this. It's not only for promoting the organization and the work that they're doing, but more importantly for even your personal consumption and savings. This will play a big role, and the most beautiful part is that these are products that are being assembled here in Meghalaya and are being assembled by our own local boys and girls who have been trained to make this. Almost 85 boys and girls are now involved in GHE, and with the CM Solar Mission coming up, we expect that more and more of our boys and girls will be now involved in different programs like these. And we hope that in the days to come, not only the LED lights, but also the batteries and other products required for clean energy, that we will be able to slowly and steadily produce and manufacture here in Meghalaya itself. So I congratulate GHE, I congratulate the entire team, I congratulate our boys and girls who are manufacturing this and assembling this, and I once again encourage all of you to use these products in a way to promote the unit, as well as to also save power and improve the efficiency at your individual houses also. Thank you very much.